Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude something went wrong error. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the app from working correctly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Then, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away completely, wait for a few hours, then reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart of the app fixes temporary issues. You can also clear the app's keys on Android. Go to your phone settings, open apps, select Claude and tap storage and clear cache. This removes temporary files that may cause this error. Then, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Claude and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. If the problem continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, and delete the app. After deleting it, reopen it and then reinstall it from the official source. That's how you can fix the something went wrong error on